Alright guys, so currently I'm in California, believe it or not. I just turned 21, so I came up here for a little vacation, and I hit up LNC Motorsports on Instagram. If you don't know who they are, they rebuild exotics, and they do some cool stuff. So we're pulling up, gonna check out their facility, and they got some crazy stuff going on, so stay tuned. Oh, there it is. Alright guys, so what was your name again?
Nick.
Nick, nice to meet you, Nick. So this is his little drift mobile kit car, I guess you could say. It's a full Lamborghini. It's a Lamborghini Super Trofeo. And what year was it?
2012.
2012. Yeah. And he's building a whole kit car with it. Is it a kit car you call it?
Well, it's similar to like a kit car, yeah. But instead of making a shitty Lamborghini on a Fiero, we're doing something crazy on a Lamborghini. Yeah. So, yeah, I was a car designer for years and years, and we're doing it kind of like that. So, like,
pretty crazy.
Yeah.
It's all custom. Do you have like already a 3D? You already have like a what would you call it? A mock-up, a sketch, yeah, a 3D sketch.
Yeah, we have some sketches. Yeah. We're going to be releasing those probably within the next week or so. And we're getting those sketches done. We're going to actually scan the chassis the way it is right now, and then we design the car in 3D. Okay. So we're going to make a 3D model, mill out molds, and take splashes off those.
All right, so right now
it's like building a future concept car, but one that you can
starting with a good base. I mean, a really good base.
Yeah, yeah.
But right now it looks like a little Lamborghini Gokart.
It is,
which is pretty
like
crazy.
A Gokart too. You feel like a little kid when you're in it.
So
we're gonna have the whole process on my channel.
Yeah.
The 3D
all
scan,
before.
Yeah, the 3D scan, how they're making the molds and everything.
So this is LNC Motorsports. This is Vlad, and he does all types of, like, as you can see, they rebuild tons of cars, but they also do probably more exotics than anyone on YouTube, which is pretty cool because you don't see cars like this chopped up and people driving. So we're about to hop in, I guess, and go for a little Lamborghini go-kart test drive. This is crazy.
Do you have any glasses?
I don't. Do I need them?
You have your glasses? Yeah.
This is crazy. I've never seen nothing like this.
Yeah, when we started the project, it's kind of a dream project of mine.
Yeah.
I was a motorcycle designer as well.
Okay.
And so, you know, there's cars out there that are basically motorcycle cars, right? The Ariel Atom, the KTM Crossbow. Yeah,
my Gucci.
All right, yeah, we're
my Gucci.
The Gucci's.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh, this is wild. So I'm in California for the week, and I saw this, and I just had to check it out. Look at me, I look like a scientist or something with these on. This is wild, dude. This is pretty cool. You might want to just keep it like this.
It's basically going to be very similar. It's just going to have a body on it. Yeah. So the whole rear end is going to be completely exposed.
Exposed, yeah. I see everyone. I mean, a lot of people do that already with their cars.
Yeah, they're little.
Pull the rear bumper delete and all that.
Yeah, we did.
So this thing's fully functional right now?
Yep. As it sits right now, it's just a stock Gallardo 574.
Yeah. This is wild. This is So do you have any this thing's pretty insane. So is this, if a cop saw you think you'd be?
Oh yeah, they would. Well, at least we're right here by LNC, so they would understand.
A little donut for it?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, I'll hop out real quick. What's up with the doors? You just want to be safe? Make a little custom tube chassis? That thing's crazy, dude. Fuck. That thing is insane. Lamborghini drift car, freaking, I guess you'd call it a, oh god. This thing's insane. Pretty wild.
It's pretty fun, right?
Yeah. So how bad of
So these doors are actually not necessarily, I mean, they will help in a crash, but it's more when we cut the roof off, you have to brace this out.
Yeah, so it doesn't tweak.
The chassis.
Yeah.
The chassis is extremely rigid.
Yeah. It's a full carbon. Is it a carbon tub or on these or no?
No, the whole chassis on this is aluminum.
That was an experience, I'd say. I don't think I'll ever experience something like this again.
Pretty nuts, huh?
See, where I live, we do this same stuff, but it's not in a Lamborghini. It's in like some Joker we bought for like 500 bucks.
Oh, I get it, dude. I grew up on a farm in Iowa. Yeah. Like we were always building.
We literally did the exact same thing to a Mustang that we got for like 500 bucks. And then we brought out, we put a light bar on it, brought it out to the woods. But this is a little bit upgraded, I guess.
It's so fun.
Yeah, pretty insane.
It's like a go-kart.
Yeah, it's literally a Lamborghini go-kart. I was telling him he should just keep it like this. This is pretty cool.
Pretty crazy, huh?
Yeah, pretty insane. So you're gonna do a full custom roof and everything too?
Nope, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be all open.
So it's, you gonna have a windshield?
What we're gonna do, so I've been talking to some Indy Aero specialists. So Formula One, they create this little lip and it actually like curls backwards and it creates an air bubble in front of you. Okay. And it'll help with the
So there's no windshield, but it's just the air force.
Originally I was gonna do some little short windshield, almost like a motorcycle. Yeah. But I think I'm gonna try that. If it works, it'll be great. But,
yeah, pretty crazy. Yeah. Do you do a lot of custom work and stuff?
Yeah,
already?
So we just started this company. Up until now, it's just been, I've been a car designer for the OEMs.
So this is like the master project.
This is kind of our first
crazy project.
Just to kind of showcase what we're capable of and what we can do. And then from there, sky's the limit. Anybody, if they want to create their own car, this car we probably will be able to recreate pretty easily. So if anybody has the Gallardo and wants to make it done, we can do it as well.
Pretty insane, dude.
Yeah, we got a couple other projects in the works right now as well. So
this thing's pretty unreal.
How was the experience?
Pretty insane, I gotta say. I don't think I ever will experience anything like this again.
You feel like a kid.
Yeah, it's like, I was telling him I do the same thing, but it was with like a Mustang. Like we just chopped up, we got it for like 500 bucks and we literally chopped the doors, roof and all that, but. So where did he come into play? He chopped it. Oh, he chopped it?
Yeah, so the car was actually, it was a front end damage, so the rear panels and stuff, these guys rebuild super
I see.
All day, every day. So
yeah, they're the best, it seems like.
So we kind of hooked up with them. We have a Shelby Raptor as well, and they work with SVC on that. That's kind of how we met.
That has the 5.0 in it, right?
No, it's the V6 turbo.
Oh, so the V6?
But yeah.
Yeah, I have one that I'm building too.
Yeah?
And the V6 Raptors or whatever. Pretty sick though. But yeah, I guess he's loading it up and then you're bringing it back to your shop or your house?
Yeah, I'm taking it to the shop now and we're going to 3D scan the entire chassis.
Yeah.
And we already have kind of a rough design in the data, but now it's all about clearing all the points, figuring out where the mounting locations and everything are. And then from there we'll start milling, splashing parts.
For sure, that's crazy. Yeah, I can't wait to see how it comes out because right now it seems like, I don't know,
it's already fun.
Yeah, it's already fun. So imagine when it's all done and looks sick and whatnot. Yep. It'd be crazy. But let me hop out. I got here just in time. Yeah, watch your door when you get out. You don't want to bang it.
It was crazy when the roof was still on and trying to get it in. It's like, dude, it's a hazard, man.
Oh, I bet, because it's like a little window. You guys did a good job on these doors.
This is the craziest.
This is the craziest. I've never seen nothing like this. So when I saw it, I was like, oh, I gotta check this out. I mean, people rebuild exotics, it's pretty cool, but when I saw this little drift, like, whatever, I don't even know what to call it. Little Gokart Lamborghini, it was like,
whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, whatever you want to call it.
when he told me the idea, when we bought the car, he was like, yo, Vlad, so you know your job. I was like, what is it? He's like, you gotta chop this. I was like, what do you mean chop this? where do I even start?
Where do I start? So how bad was this damage? You could have rebuilt it?
Yeah, so this was the damage. Just those two aluminum rails.
Oh, and you replaced them?
I replaced those two.
Okay.
But we went to, instead of, because at the dealer they wanted something like $9 grand for those pieces.
For those pieces?
So we just went to an aluminum store and we just bought the metal.
And cut them to size and everything?
Because he said as long as the chassis, everything intact, he doesn't care. We're not putting like the gaps and everything. It's gonna be just one big
shell. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's all custom anyway.
As long as it stays together.
This doesn't look as complicated as it seems.
The collision was very easy and simple. We could have had this thing on the road already.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how it comes out. It's gonna be crazy. All right, guys, so big shout out to Vlad over at LNC Motorsports for letting me come by, and also big shout out to Nick for taking me a ride in that car. That was insane. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna drop their links down below, but we just pulled up. All right, guys, so actually my camera died while I was filming that last shot, saying thanks to Vlad and Nick at LNC Motorsports, and also Nick, the owner of the car, obviously. But I'm back here in Florida. I just got back. It was about a 2-week trip. I had a lot of fun. It was my 21st birthday, so I was in no rush to come back. If I didn't send your merch out yet, I'm really apologize for that. I've just been gone. I package everything myself. But as you can see, the Hellkeezy's looking nice, and I'm actually about to go drop it off to get an alignment and a couple other things. So that's gonna be that for this video. If you want to buy some merch, it's all 30% off, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. So thanks for watching. Peace.